The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grande.
And what's your estimate? We're at 210,000.
200.
195.
210.
I got 189.
239,000.
Payrolls rose by just 20,000 jobs in February, way below expectations.
20,000 jobs? What are you, nuts? Wait a minute. We've been told all along that this is a hot economy. Every day we're told that. What a great economy. It's blasting off. Strongest economy in the world.
The United States has the strongest economy in the world. And today's numbers really show that.
Unbelievable. What is it with these people? What is it that they don't get? Don't they understand that from 2008 to 2018, for 10 years, we've never had a recovery? For 10 years, this entire stock market has been driven by low rates, near zero. And low rates destroys the economy from within. Low rates only benefit the very wealthy, who 85% of their income comes from the stock market. They're in the market every day. The big institutions as well. The 401k doesn't count. You'll never make money with a 401k. The returns on a 401k are horrible because every time one of these bubbles bursts, and they burst all the time because the bubbles are man-made. From the dot-com to the housing con, the financial con, now to the QE con. They're all artificially made. They'll run them up, and then they'll pop them. They come all the way back down. But your 401k, you are not allowed to get out when it starts going down. You have to sit in the stupid 401k and get killed. Oh, you can get out to the end of the day, but by then it'll be too late. So here we are, 20,000 jobs. And now what are they telling us? Oh, it's the weather. It's the weather. Wait a minute. It's the economy, stupid. These jibber-jabbers, these financial show jibber-jabbers, who always tell us every day the economy is wonderful, it's hot, it's firing on all cylinders. They know it's not true. They know since 2008 this entire rally has been fraud, filled with zero rates, stock buybacks, quantitative easing, all financially engineered to drive the market up 300%, but it excludes the middle class, it excludes the hardworking middle class, where people now even have to have multiple jobs. It was only designed to make the wealthy even more wealthy. And we were told by Bernanke when he did QE, he came out and said, this is great because the wealthy are going to get even more wealthy, and that money that they make is going to filter down to Main Street. They're going to use that money to create more jobs. They're going to use that money for capital investment, buy new machinery, new equipment, new facilities, so they can produce more goods. That means you will get a lot more money. Your wages will go up. It was a whole lie. But see, people didn't know that because they see the market going up every day. And you got the cheerleaders every day telling you that the market is firing on all cylinders. And people really started to believe the stock market represented the economy, but it doesn't. And now the economy, the wheels are finally coming off because people are not making enough money. The wages is a joke, 3% annually. Give me a break. Healthcare alone eats into that 3%. What you have to pay for college loans. What you have to pay for any kind of health care eats into that. Today they came out again. First it was 7 million Americans. 7 million Americans couldn't pay their payments on their car. Now it's 37 million are behind 90 days, first on their auto, now 90 days on their credit card. But what are we being told? Every day, the economy's doing well.
The United States has the strongest economy in the world.
Sure, for guys like Kudlow and his friends, of course, because the economy was designed for them, not for the working middle class who's disappearing. Oh, the poor, they're doing quite well. They really actually got a pay raise of 4%. Welfare programs are helping them, and welfare is getting bigger. The Democrats, again, are expanding welfare. I remember the days when welfare was sliced in half. The president, Bill Clinton, he decided if you're going to be on welfare, you've got to work. And through your whole life, you only could be on welfare 5 years during your whole life. That's it. And you had to work to get a welfare. If you got a welfare check, within 24 months, if you didn't have a job, you lost it. The welfare dropped by 50%. It was an incentive to work, to go out and work. Obama comes in, he killed it all. He clawed it all back. They don't want people working. They hate the working poor. They even put in legislation, if you're on some sort of welfare program, subsidy program, you're caught cutting your neighbor's lawn to make an extra $25, or you go and get a couple nights' work as a night watchman, they will take your welfare away from you. Bill Clinton was just the opposite. If you were on welfare and then you were working, he would incentivize you to even work more, so you'd finally be off welfare. Under Obama, it was just the opposite. Just the opposite. So bad weather. They're telling us it's all blame bad. We're going to blame this on bad weather. Are you nuts? Bad weather?
There was a big snowstorm in the month of the survey week. You had leisure and hospitality.
Oh, give me a break. You want to talk about storms? Let's talk about all the hurricanes. Let's talk about Andrew. $36 billion it cost us. 127,000 houses destroyed. Sandy, $50 billion, destroyed 650,000 homes. Emma, $65 billion, destroyed 720,000 homes. You go on and on. Are you kidding? That is such a lie. Weather. It's New England. Sure, there's weather up there. Sure, there's weather in Minneapolis, and sure, there's bad weather in Colorado. It's not all over the country, for heaven's sakes. Construction is falling off the cliff because people don't making enough money to get a down payment to put on a home. Even apartment complexes, the construction has fallen off big time. They're not even building apartments. People have run out of money when they ran out of their credit card. When their credit card gets tapped out, it's over. Bad weather? What are you, nuts? It's the economy, stupid, not the weather, you dope. We'll be right back after this break. Take a look at some of our member stocks, how they're doing.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Does your money manager send you an alert when the stock position that you're in goes up or it goes down? Does your brokerage send you an alert to get out of a stock position so you don't lose money? Of course they don't. Here at philsgang.com, we keep all of our members engaged with the stock positions that we recommend. Nobody does that for their clients. Nobody. Go to philsgang.com and become a member to get up-to-the-minute alerts. That's philsgang.com. Stop losing money and start making money with Phil's Gang.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 Stock Charts.
And if you want to participate, you want me to take a look at your stock, I'll put it up on my MV2 color-coded chart, and I'll tell you exactly, should you be buying? Should you be selling? Should you be adding to your position? Or should you be shorting? Or should you be running like hell? 855-745-7445. That's 855-745-7445. No one else that I know of that can give you the information on your stock that I can't. Because I have my MV2 color-coded chart, which the algorithms doesn't follow this kind of nonsense.
The economy is in terrific shape. We are in an economic boom. The reality is we're clicking on all cylinders. The United States has the strongest economy in the world. And today's numbers really show that.
So you think things are going really well?
They're slowing down from a torrid pace of last year, but I still think, we're talking about a juggernaut of an economy still.
Really? Well, that's not what we're being told by the 30-year Treasury, the 3-month Treasury. That's called the yield curve. It predicted 40 recessions, never, ever wrong. You get into a recession, the market collapses. 40, right spot on. And when you look at the 30, you then compare the yield to the 3-month, and if they're not 3% apart, that means you're in a recession. Many times we are in a recession, we don't even know it. Or we're starting recession, and that means caution because a correction is coming. 3%, we're not even a 0.25% difference. But they've been ignoring it. These same people every day who take parking space in your head every day tell you how great the economy is. Instead of being truthful. They don't know how to be truthful because their job is to get you to consume. Consumption is 70% of our economic GDP growth. For our economy to grow, you have to go out and consume. Why do you think they gave you 875 million credit cards? So you could go consume. Because instead of giving you good wages, they give you a credit card. And that's why they say something like this.
People are feeling flush in their accounts, spending more than our income coming in.
So how do they spend more than their income coming in? Matter of fact, 60% more than their income. Credit cards. Today, just reported, I think it was 35 million credit card holders now 90 days in delinquency. That's on top of another 7 million 90 days behind on their car. But we're still being told
this is the greatest economy ever.
Really? Did you ever hear any of these people on these TV financial shows get up and be honest with you? Of course not. Headlines, China stock market crashes, European GDP growth, they announced yesterday, is going to tank. Canada came out yesterday, going to tank. Oh, but us, we're the exception. We're not going to tank. It's just ridiculous. So what you have to do is this. You got to figure out a way to make money outside of that 401k. The 401k was never designed for you. It was designed for your employer and the mutual fund company who they deal with to make money, not you. And remember, the 401k, the biggest reason people fell for the 401k, it was a genius idea. What a marketing scheme. We are going to match every one. You come work for me, every $1 you put away in your 401k, I will match it $1. And people with a herd mentality just ran to these 401ks. They don't know what the 401k is all about. They have no understanding of the fees. They have no understanding of the danger. They have no understanding of the value. All they heard was one thing: I will match you. But what they don't understand is they don't match you. Every pay grade, every slot in a company, if a company knows you're going to take a 401k, they will make sure that they adjust your salary downward that covers the company match of that $1. So instead of making $65,000 a year, you make $58,000 a year. People don't believe that. You never can take your money out. If you want to buy a car, you can't take your money out. You get penalized. If you want to buy a car, buy a home, you get penalized. So, we have just a very simple way to make money. All I ask is judge us on our performance. You just take one of our stocks. We have 5 stocks called our Working Investor Group. 5 stocks. We've been in those stocks for 2 straight years. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we post for our gang. It's called Working Investor Group. We ask you to start out first with just one stock. After a month, you can do all 5 if you want. Just get the feel of it. Just one stock. And we tell you when to buy it, when to add to your position, when to take profits, when to put a stop in. Stops are so important. Stops in insurance policy. We always make sure that your risk to reward makes sense. That your reward's going to be 10%, then let's put in our risk at 3%, the max. We guide you all the way through. And if you're not making money, we always tell our gang members, especially the Working Investor Group, contact us. We'll go through why you're not making money. We'll identify what you're doing wrong. And all we ask if you donate to St. Jude. That's all. Just donate to St. Jude if you're making money. We've been doing this for over 20 years. St. Jude needs $1.8 million a day to keep their doors open. Since 1962, the survival rate on cancer gone from 4% to 90%. It's incredible. So here's the deal. I'm reaching out to you. You join my gang. You pick one of those 5 stocks for 1 month. Judge me on my performance, and you'll see you'll do much better than you ever did with your 401k. We'll be right back after this break.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these 2 committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
have plenty of potatoes but no corned beef? Want to learn how to maximize your profits in the stock market? Then join Phil's gang. Phil Grande will teach you everything you need to know so you can buy as much corned beef as you'd like. Turn on your computer and go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. And happy St. Patty's Day from Phil's gang.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, if you want to participate, 855-745-7445. Remember St. Jude, I'm going to reach out to you. I'm going to help you. I want you to join my gang. The first step, you follow 5 stocks. We've been in those stocks for 2 years. Pick one. And every day at 2 o'clock, we post exactly what you need to do, the instructions. If you just stay with one stock for the first 4 weeks, don't go off the reservation, you will identify a new way to make money. You'll have confidence, because here's the thing. Listen to this. Listen how stupid this is. This morning I'm listening to Maria Bartiromo, who destroyed everybody's wealth during the .com days. She says, let's see, she was saying, take a break.
I think it's absolutely sensible for people to take a break and just watch.
What you do now is you can...
All right, so she's saying take a break. So the market's going down, take a break. So your stocks are going down. Now, she's sending mixed messages. First, they tell you when the stock's going down, buy more of it. They say cost average down. Keep cost averaging down. Your stock's at 20. It goes to 15. Buy more. You averaged out the cost. Drops now from 15 to 10. Buy even more. Go from 10 to 5. Buy even more. That's what the folks did with Enron. Not my gang. With Enron, what did we do? We were shorting the stock. Shorting it. You can't do that with your 401k. You're not allowed to short. You're not allowed to mitigate the loss. So she's saying, keep taking your losses now and let it keep going down and just sit on the sidelines and watch. And now listen to this dope.
We're in the camp that this is a buying opportunity. The markets had got overbought after rallying almost 20%.
Wait a minute. The market dropped 20%, and then it rallied back up 15%. But it dropped 20% because of the rate hikes to 2.5%. They were rejected. Killed the economy. Household debt stormed up. That's why 35 million people can't pay their credit cards. 7 million people can't pay their car payments. People are falling behind with insurance. People are falling behind with all their different payments. They can't keep up with it. And they say, and then Varney comes out and says, wow, we are really, things are really doing good. We're getting we're getting a 3% rate hike, he says. Are you kidding me? 3%? That's a joke. And health insurance eats that 3% up, for God's sakes. I mean, think about it. That's insane. Health care. Go to the supermarket. 3%. By the way, not everybody gets 3%. The middle class of the 3% got 1.6%. Most of that 3% goes to the working poor. Actually, they got 4%. The middle class got screwed. Let's take our caller from Denver. Tim, how you doing, Tim?
Thanks for taking my call.
Your stock, Tim.
CenturyLink, CTL.
CTL, okay, CTL. All right, great. We got it up on the chart. And what's your question?
I just want to know if it's worth holding. We bought it, at 11.55, and it had its bump right now. So I just want to know if you hold that.
See, at 11.55, you should have started shorting it. But here's what you can do. Let me back off a little bit. Okay, 11.55. All right. Right now, the stock has hit a little bit of a support area. Okay, around 11.42. If it can hold that 11.42 for the next few days, and she can get back above 13.50, then you'll be okay. But you got it. But if she drops below 11.42, you should switch and short it, because institutions right now are pulling their money out. Now she stopped. She found a little support here. So watch it for the next couple of days. Watch the volume. If she starts going up and the volume increases, then you're going to be safe. If she breaks back down through 11.42, just switch your position. Mitigate your losses by selling it short, okay?
Okay. Was the reason it had gone up recently was the short positions that have sold off because
the reason, like, this has been in a downward spiral. It turned red around $22, and she dropped all the way down to about $11 or $12 because, again, the institutions kept pulling their money out. But every time they pop up a little bit, you know how they come down, then they pop up a little bit. And that's what happens. People will get in thinking, oh, it's going back up. I think I'll get it now. It's hit its bottom. But with the color-coded chart I'm looking at, it remained red every time it popped up. See, that's the key, because if you're following the institutional money instead of the jibber-jabbers, when it does pop up but it stays red, you know there's not enough buying. But when it turns green, it's telling you, hey, the institutions are coming in. Okay, so that's the thing about, I feel so bad. Like, he's sitting there. He had an incredible opportunity to make a bunch of money here. If you go back and you see on this chart, CTL, it turned red. It really started to turn red around October 10th, and that was around $21. So $21 down to about $12, that has to be, 50, 60% gain he would have had on that stock. But if you don't have any 22%, he would have made a 22% return. But a 42% return. But if you're always of the mindset, buy, I'm always going to buy, I'm always buying. And 99.99% of the people in the stock market, that's all they think about is buying. Because you've been trained that way by the market. Because remember, these gangsters, cockroaches that run this the stock market, they need you to buy because they only make money when you buy. They never make money when you sell. So if you sell a stock short, if I know the stock was going down, it was at $22, and I saw it turn red, I borrow the stock from the broker, thinking it's going to go down because it turned red. So I borrowed at 22, and then when it gets down to $12, then I buy it. That's simple. So you sell it short at 22, and then you buy it at 11. You made your money, and that's what we do for our members. Okay. So again, we've been in a few stocks, just a couple days, 2 or 3 days, and here are our members' returns. Okay, Alaskan Airline. 7% return. I think we've been in these, 3 days? 7%. JetBlue, 5% return. Hewlett-Packard, 5%. Oil, it's an oil, not oil service, oil driller. MPC, 4%. And I believe, without looking it up, we've been in these for 3 days, 3 days, and we have those returns. But remember, each one of those stocks, the institutions were pulling the money out. That's all. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear about the free cash flow, the PE ratios. I don't want to hear about the color of the newspaper, the wallpaper in the bathroom from Kudlow or from Crazy Man Kramer. I don't need to know any of that stuff. I don't need to know their margins. I don't need to know their free cash flow. I don't even need to know their product. I don't even need to know what they're doing. You give me any stock that's trading at least 500,000 shares or more a day, I'll put it up on my chart. If it's green, we buy. If it's red, we sell. And if you think it's a joke, it's not. For heaven's sakes, just try it for 1 month. Listen, we have a real problem. They've been hiding. Our durable goods orders have been declining. Our consumer confidence have been dropping. Construction has been falling off the cliff. We have Draghi from Europe, the Bank of Canada, the Governor of Canada, China, all telling us their economies are falling apart. But what are we told every day? We have the best economy in the world. What are you, nuts? We'll be right back after this break.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, You have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Are you tired of being lied to about some magical economic recovery that only benefits the 1 percentile? And then when the market does collapse, you're sitting there calling your broker, what do I do? When you should be shorting? Learn how to short the market. Continue to listen to my radio show, philsgang.com. Become a member, only $39.95 a month, and learn how to short.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
We could grow this economy at 4 or 5%. We are the hottest economy in the world, and we are experiencing, despite this silly, fluky number, we are on a roll, and I'm going to say that the outlook for the American economy is still 3% growth plus.
I'm so confused.
Wait a minute. First he says 4 to 5%. Now it's 3%. Why can't he just come out and be truthful? Oh, he's got to be the cheerleader, though. He's always got to be the cheerleader. I mean, think about it. It's insane. 78% of our working folks are we have 157 million people working. 78% work paycheck to paycheck. Consumers are taking out that faster than their incomes because they have credit cards. It's like funny money. Household debt is rising 60% faster than their wages. This 3% is a joke. Just see how much you got to pay for health care. The national debt is growing 36% faster than our economy. Our corporate debt is choking the corporations at $8 trillion. Now the interest rates are going up. The corporate debt has grown by 40%. That's a record $9.3 trillion since 2008. The U.S. government's net worth is at a negative $20.4 trillion. From the time you go to bed to the time your feet hit the bedroom floor in the morning, the government has lost $1.5 trillion. What are you, nuts? It's unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. The cheerleading is just sickening.
Fluky.
Fluky, all right. There's no fluke. We've been duped for 10 years. But if you're part of the 1 percentile, you've made a fortune in the stock market. Made a fortune. And stop complaining about the taxes. These communists, Cortez and Omar, those two, they're the equivalent of the brown shirts under Hitler when he was developing his Nazi party. Same thing, no different. We got to be very careful here. And for Geraldo Rivera to just go, oh, how sweet she is and how wonderful she is. Unbelievable. But let's get back to making money. You know, one thing, I'm so sick of MSNBC and all these people taking down Trump. We are headed by someone who doesn't like to lose and wants to be a winner. Thank God we have him. The timing couldn't be better. When you have, again, Cortez and Omar, who, again, just like the Nazis, going against the Jews. This is unbelievable. And the Democratic Party is embracing it, not stopping it. Omar should be kicked out off of her committee that oversees all the deals we make with Israel. The last person you want as a president is one who owns no stock, has no savings, live on a government pension. Joe Biden, for God's sake, can you imagine putting somebody in as president who doesn't have savings, who doesn't have stocks? That means he is not a risk taker. You got to know how to spend money in order to make money. And Trump has done that through the Trump Organization. Bloomberg has done that through the media empire he built. Howard Schultz has done that. He built Starbucks from nothing. He was in a housing project. See, people who start businesses start from nothing. They're risk takers. Leaders, you don't have leaders who take no risk, who don't even have one stock, who don't even save, his whole life living off a pension, sucking off you and me. Biden's been sucking off you and me. And that old fart up in Vermont, Sanders, who, my God, when I get up in the morning, I at least want to see somebody on as my president is at least good looking. You look at him, you look at Sanders in the morning when you wake up, you think you're in the middle of a nightmare. God. He's an idiot. But he's not a risk taker either. No, he's not. He's been sucking off you and me for years. Both of them have. You know what? You want leaders who feel that losing is the deepest form of humiliation. And humiliation is intolerable. Bloomberg feels that way. Howard Schultz feels that way. Trump feels that way. Not Bernie Sanders. If Bernie Sanders felt that way, he would have blown up the DNC. He got screwed by the DNC. He got screwed by Hillary Clinton. Oh, that's another thing. I love the fact now that the guy at the head of the DNC, he looks like he needs to take a bath. Tom Perez, he's trying to look like Lenin. You ever see him with his little scuffy little beard? But the best thing he could do is take one of his attorneys and himself, go to an elevator, go to the highest floor and jump off the building. Then they would be contributing something to this country.
Wow. Whichever network runs them ensures that our candidates are treated fairly.
Treated fairly. CNN has been invited back. And it's CNN, remember, who rigged the debate with Donna Brazile, who works for CNN. She was the head of the DNC party at the same time, and she gave Hillary Clinton the answers of every question that was going to be asked. And this guy, who looks like he needs to take a bath, says we're not going to invite Fox. We're only going to invite CNN. People like that who have a high standard of integrity. These people are sick. But I get a kick out of Bernie Sanders, Biden. Oh, and what about Pocahontas over there? Elizabeth Warren. They're all losers. They're losers. You want your 401k involved with these losers? Their entire adult life, they built nothing, contributed nothing to society. They lived off of this society either through government or go and teach some college. Unbelievable. They always, you ever notice? They always pull these people from college. Like Aunt B, put her head of the Federal Reserve. She's always been in school. She's never had a job. And she was the worst. Unbelievable. They're so smart they don't know anything. They're so smart they're stupid. See, they accept losing. Biden accepts losing. Oh, he does. Bernie Sanders did. Look how passive he was when he found out he got screwed by the DNC and by Hillary. They became even closer as friends. This is crazy. So then we have the Democrats who are heading up the witch hunt. Adam Schiff, an evil man. He's never contributed anything to our economy, to our world. So what does he do? He gets together with Michael Cohen, a despicable human being, and they create a theater. They create a theater. That's what it was theater. That wasn't a hearing, it was theater. Told them exactly what to do, what to say, what to wear. Unbelievable. For him to say, Cohen to say, quote, given my experience working for Mr. Trump, I fear that if he loses the election in 2020, there will never be a peaceful transaction of power. And this is why I agreed to appear here before you today. What's Trump going to do? Go to the mountains, the Pocono Mountains like Castro did? Go to the mountains and form an army and he's going to take over the government? These people are sick. But I can't change any of that. I can't do anything with it. But here's what I can do. I can help St. Jude with your help. I can reach out and help you with your money. Just follow me. Just try one stock with me. That's all I'm asking. One stock. I'm not always right. But I'll tell you one thing. My charts are more right than they're ever wrong. I'll tell you that. And just 1 month. 1 month. Just try one stock. And I will tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to short, and when to run like hell. Using my color-coded chart. Doesn't that make sense? It makes sense to me that you buy a stock if money's going in, and you don't buy it if money's coming out. In fact, you short it. But most of you never short a stock, ever. That's insane. 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call. Help yourself. Help St. Jude. It's a win-win for everybody. $39.95.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to